Let's solve question 13. As observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angles of depression of two ships are 30 degrees and 45 degrees, if one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse. We need to find the distance between the two ships. The key points are: lighthouse height is 75 meters, and the angles of depression are 30 and 45 degrees. Let's recall. We note that tangent theta equals opposite over adjacent. Also, we list the standard values for tan 30 and tan 45. Let's draw the diagram. AB is the lighthouse. C and D are the positions of the ships. The horizontal dashed line represents the observer's eye level. We mark the angles of depression from the horizontal line as 30 and 45 degrees, which are equal to the angles of elevation at the ships. By alternate interior angles, angle ACB is 45 degrees and ADB is 30 degrees. Let the distance between the ships be x, and the distance BC be y. AB is given as 75 meters. In the right triangle ABC, tan 45 degrees equals AB over BC. This simplifies to 1 equals 75 over y, giving us y equals 75 meters. In the right triangle ABD, tan 30 degrees equals AB over BD, which is 75 over x plus y. Substituting y equals 75, we get 1 over root 3 equals 75 over x plus 75. Cross multiplying gives x plus 75 equals 75 root 3. Finally, x equals 75 root 3 minus 75. Taking 75 common, the distance is 75 into root 3 minus 1 meters.